For example, I would like to give some example about kind of action they have to do with this. For example, first this is the water shortage and the road and water scarcity. Unfortunately, the main part of our region located in the high-ranking region which suffered from water shortage. Actually, our capital, of course, located in the high-ranking region. That's why, including Baku, have local water resources in this region. That's why we bring water resources from other water basins in Azerbaijan. The main aim of our agency is to provide water security for urbanized areas in Baku. Second one is that, as we know, the big problem for urban areas increase. Actually, drainage area increase and impervious surface. That's why the stormwater rainwater so that's directly changed to surface water. That's great a big platform in the That's why I think that's a big problem for the stormwater management. That's why it's one of the important issues for our country. Next one is the pollution, also the situation of the system. Actually, urban areas, some of them have some slums all available. That's why I think the impact of these slums really some now I would like to give some case of experience of Azerbaijan, what kind of experience Azerbaijan. I think that one of the best experience of Azerbaijan institutional reforming of Azerbaijan. Actually, in 2023, in Azerbaijan was some water players, as you know, different players in water sector, bring urban management. That's why, according to the view of Azerbaijan, Excellency President of Azerbaijan, new water agency Azerbaijan, the main of this agency to bring all water sector under one umbrella for this. I think that's one of the best case for these companies. It's a new agency. All our colleagues working together quickly to improve our water sector. Actually, we're dealing with a drinking water supply, wastewater treatment, wastewater removal, wastewater irrigation as well. Second experience, I think that we have actually in Baku, we have many big lakes. Now we have two big projects for improvement rehabilitation lakes. First is the rehabilitation very short lake. Another is river project. We have rehabilitation very big lakes. Another, I think that this experience of Azerbaijan on water treatment is actually we have a big water treatment plant in G100. I think that firstly in our region we implement water purification facilities in drinking water supply. I think that it's one of the best case of, I think that for our region, including for Central Asia as well. As you know, nowadays traditional water engineers sometimes facing some gaps. The need of our agency nowadays to implement the hybrid water management is a natural-based solution, including engineering purposes. At the end of my speech, also to ask you a question. As you know, nowadays we're dealing for improvement urban areas for providing sustainable urban areas. If we couldn't provide, we couldn't implement sustainable water management system nowadays, we couldn't promote as well as sustainable urban areas. That's why the main aim of our country nowadays, synergy between urban planning and water management system. That's why now we are working for sustainable water resource management, synergy between urban planning. Thank you so much.
Thank you.